already on some roadways, and with that, we're seeing some closures. So Brianna Ruffalo is going to be here in just a moment, let you know where we're seeing all that happen. But we are talking about some rainfall. So what do you need to know about today with the rain? Most of the rain, the bulk of the rain, the front has moved its way on past, and that happened around 2 o'clock this morning into 4 o'clock this morning. Good news is we're a lot of us in bed asleep and not having to deal with that. On the back side of this front, we do have plenty of moisture. We're tapping into the atmospheric river, and on account of that, the showers will continue through this morning, creating more flooding and more flood concerns just because it's not letting up, even though it's steady and light for the most part. Every once in a while, you'll get a moderate cell coming down, bringing in some heavier rainfall. The mountains dealing with some snow, very wet snow at the moment. Hard. We're looking at travel up to the mountains, visibility low, and it looks as though if you're trying to make your way up there, you're certainly going to need the chains. The entire state dealing with some wet weather, so that continues for us through today. And as we make your way through the watches and warnings, you are seeing plenty of them. We have wind advisories, high wind warnings, winter storm warnings out towards the mountains, and flood advisories. And of course, that coastal flood advisory too, because of the big waves. We have high surf advisories. The waves are creating beach erosion and potentially some coastal flooding. So we continue with that today. There's a lot going on. Today it's back to 55 in Los Angeles, 53 into Ontario, and about 56 degrees out there in Anaheim. So overall, temperatures today probably going to stay the same as they are at the moment. Then we get back into the afternoon, and I'm saying that this rain, most of it, the heavy stuff, will probably be pushing its way out of here late morning. You're going to get a nice little break in the afternoon throughout Southern California. We're not seeing too much in the way of showers, all broken up now, but there's a squall line, and this particular squall line is going to move through the area later on into afternoon, right about 2 to 4 o'clock. Most places will start to see a little bit heavier rain come back into the forecast, and that'll be about 4 o'clock for the Inland Empire, parts of Orange County, and then it's really done and over with. It really starts to come to a close, and then we start to dry out, so that'll be nice. That's the storm that we're dealing with today. Again, you heard terms like bomb cyclone, atmospheric river, pineapple express. It's that bomb cyclone that's grabbing all this moisture from the atmospheric river and pushing it into our direction with a front that's separated from the main part of the storm. So we're not going to get that bomb cyclone, but we are going to get the front associated with it, and that's what we're dealing with today. So we get back to another round of rainfall by Monday and Tuesday. There it is, tracking through Southern California Monday as some light showers, and Tuesday more moderate to heavy with better amounts of snow for our local mountains. This will be a colder system, so snow should be pretty nice. And then we get to clearing. But right behind that, maybe over the weekend, 72 in Irvine. Today's temperatures not changing too much from where we are right now. It's going to be about 58 degrees up towards our foothills and 57 Thousand Oaks. Thunder and lightning not out of the question today. We'll continue the showers all the way through the afternoon. Then we head into your Saturday and your Sunday, mostly seeing some drier conditions till Sunday night. Then some rainfall Sunday night into your Monday and your Tuesday. And then you're heading to the coastline. And again, big waves, 10 to 12 footers today. Then tomorrow, the faces of those waves could be as high as 15 feet. Concern for downed trees, power lines, and possible power outages are high desert spots. Okay, Brianna Ruffalo is in.